Welcome to Technology Savy. Dive into helpful how-to-OS and troubleshooting videos on Linux, cloud, and virtualization. Eager to become tech smarter? Don't forget to subscribe. OBS Studio is a free and open-source software for screen recording and live streaming. Users can also stream directly to platforms like YouTube, Twitch, Facebook. To install OBS Studio 29.0.2.1-1 Linux on Ubuntu 23.04, you can use the official OBS Studio repository to get the most up-to-date version. Here are the steps. First of all, open Terminal and update the package list. Run sudo apt update command. Then run sudo apt upgrade command. Package upgrade may take a while, so be patient. Kernel upgrade requires reboot. Let me quickly reboot my Ubuntu machine. Let's continue after restart. OBS Studio requires FFmpeg. It's a good practice to install it first. Now, add the necessary repository with sudo add apt repository ppa-ubs project/obs studio command. After adding the new repository, you should always update the package list. Please make sure you add the OBS Studio repository and run sudo apt update command again. Otherwise, if you will try to run sudo apt install OBS Studio command, you will definitely get unable to locate package error. To fix this error, add repository and run update command beforehand. Let's install the OBS Studio with sudo apt install OBS Studio command. Once the installation is complete, you can launch OBS Studio from the application menu or by typing OBS in the terminal. If you follow these steps, you should have OBS Studio installed and ready to use on your Ubuntu system. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and visit my website cloudlinuxtech.com for more how-to or troubleshooting guides.